can just have a look. Okay. This is the standard model, right? The two
Bench, yes. It's a fixed.
What's the filament like used for printing?
We use PLA, but our specialty is to use other engineering grade materials: nylon, carbon fiber, PETG, polycarbonate, polypropylene. So we are able to print as long as it comes in filament format. PEEK is also something we do. PEEK, Ultep,
Okay.
we do those materials as well.
And dimension maximum you can do by
We-
1 feet by 1 feet, 1 cubic feet or
No,
big, big
it comes in mm. So this current model is the 400 by 400.
Okay.
We also have a 700, 400. With a 12 nozzle, we have 600, 400. Thanks.
Thank you.